But there's one last thing that we have to do before we actually put this on a live domain. We need to adjust the contents. Now, in the video description, there is an Evernote, and I actually use this one from another video. You can see there's a lot of people viewing it right now. What we need to do is we need to actually tell Claude what kind of business we are, and it's gonna adjust the content around whatever we tell them, right? So for example, I'll go ahead and paste this in, and the business name, we're gonna put that we are a modeling agency. Adjust the website content around my business. Here is my business info, and then here we have our info. I'll go ahead now and run this prompt. And what this will do is that it'll actually adjust all the content throughout all your pages based off the keywords in that prompt. And here we go. So now Claude has adjusted all the content on the website based off my business. So we can see all the text has changed. Wilson Modeling Agency. We're a New York modeling agency. Scrolling down, all the content has also changed. We have our models. Wilson saw something in me before I did. Oh, I like that, you know, it makes me feel like I have a heart, you know. Also, if we check out our pages, and then here is our About Us page. It says, we build modeling careers, founded in 2012. Wilson Agency is a independent modeling agency in New York. Pretty cool.